Hey, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today I'll be showing you the solutions on how you could fix the Google Chrome's error where it says that the connection is not private. So let's get started. So first, we're going to go to the taskbar and make sure that our date and time is set to the right date and time. For some reasons, bias could be reset, so the date suddenly changes back to further backwards, where it would cause some private connection error, where it would say in Google Chrome that your clock is behind. What you have to do is simply set the time automatically and make sure that the time zone you are in is the correct time zone on where you are currently, and close that one once done, and it would automatically sync your date and time, and you could try and see if that would fix the issue on your browser. If that wouldn't still fix the issue, what you have to do is click on this tree icon and click on the history, and click on the history again. Click on this tree icon right here. Click on the clear browsing data. Check everything right here. You could uncheck the browsing history, but these two options right here must be checked, and set the time range to all time. Clear all the data, cookies, and restart your browser. And see if that would fix your issue. If that wouldn't still fix the issue, you could go ahead and minimize this one. Right click on your network icon on your taskbar. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click the Change Adapter options. Right click on your network adapter, hit the Properties. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Check under the DNS server. Check use the following DNS server addresses and type in the following. Once done, hit the OK button, close everything up, and open a command prompt. Type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Once done, restart your browser. If that one wouldn't still fix the issue, go ahead and minimize your browser and open up your start menu and look for internet options. Open that one up. Under the content, click the clear SSL state, and it will clear all the SSL cache present on your computer. Hit the OK button and restart your browser. And hopefully that will fix the issue. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and feedback down below, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. Click that subscribe button and bell notification to get notified with the latest tips and tricks, tutorials, and gameplays on this channel. So till then, see you on my next video.